So we're going to play some Atari. These are the ones we got at the Flea Market today. Sace War, Taz, Space Jockey. That one looks kind of cheesy. And StarMaster. We'll start with StarMaster. Other way. Ooh.
You have to press the reset button.
I forgot. So it's pretty much Star Wars, but nowhere near as good.
There's like no targets. I don't know where you're supposed to shoot at.
Kitty, I love you too. She does this every time we play.
Yeah. It's like speaking the center of attention.
This does nothing.
I know, that's what I said. Like, there's nothing happened.
Okay, Space Wars is stupid. I'll give it another minute. Let me try and use all the bullets and
The
see.
game probably just ends.
Something make. Oh, this slows you down. It's one speed. Yep. Wait, there's only one button. How does that happen? This is shovelware. Activision made a really bad game here.
Maybe there's like a different mode. And you select like a different.
Let me try a different mode. Game select.
Is there a different pad? I don't even know what.
I don't know what that means.
Well, let's try like a. Are you supposed to avoid the dots?
I don't. All I do is go straight. It's supposed to be stars, I think.
Yeah. This is the pattern who looks like the bad guy.
That's all it is. Yeah, like there's the bad guys,
Yeah,
but
there's a find them.
East L W S. What does that mean? All right, I give up. This game sucks. All right, so next one we'll do is Space Jockey. Space Jockey. You cheated and figured out what they
I
were
had to make sure
first.
it works so that way when you film. You're good.
Why are my shots moving? They move with me.
That's awesome.
That's kind of
You
weird.
have to stay still. Then.
Yeah, that means you're gonna get hit.
It like goes around your enemies.
That's awful. That's awful. What are any of these good?
That one's not. This one's pretty good. This is probably.
No,
the
I
best,
mean,
this
like,
is probably the best
good-
one.
Good guys, like fast food. You gotta run into them.
Oh, Taz is pretty decent.
No, you're not hearing what I'm saying. The enemies on the
Oh, I
screen.
thought you said already the game's good.
Yeah. No.
No, I don't know. I didn't play that long. I just turned them on to see if they worked.
So you're a spaceship,
Yeah,
and you're invading Earth.
Yeah, and you're shooting at like blimps and stuff.
Okay, so we're supposed to destroy the Earth.
Yeah, we're the evil ones.
What is with the 80s being the bad guy?
I know. Half of your games, you're like the alien.
You're the alien invading.
The only one you aren't is Defender. So that's the only one you have where you aren't.
Yeah.
Then like
True
Space
story.
Invaders.
True story.
But over half of them, you are the alien.
Yeah, you're the alien.
Well,
invading
aliens are
Earth.
cooler. They got all the cool stuff. We just
It's
have,
like Cobra. Cobra was way cooler than G.I. Joe. And they had the cooler outfits, the cooler
E-Man,
cars.
the bad guys were always cool.
Yeah, that's what I mean. But they were bad guys, you know? Whatever. Good guys are supposed to be the cool ones.
That's why people like the anti-heroes, because they look cool like bad guys when they do good stuff.
Bad guys with conscience. Is there a game over on this?
Yeah, if you get hit, you die.
Yeah, but it's trash. Duh.
That's the game over. It's an Atari game. It's score based. You just go games have you played?
Pac-Man.
Actual game over.
Pac-Man.
Well, yeah,
Donkey Kong. Yeah, but there's like a
Levels.
game over screen.
Yeah, well, do you think
Go to
this
the
game
next
has a
level.
game over?
Yes.
I doubt that.
Yes.
Most Atari games don't have game over.
I love how the things just avoid them. Yeah. Okay, there's a game over screen. Oh no, it's not.
Do you have your life? You still have one more life yet. Okay.
I'm just trying to see if there's lives. Okay, there's game over. Okay. I'm good with it. Space Jockey!
I'd save Taz for last.
Okay. So we'll do Space War.
That one's a 2-player game.
What is with all the Space War stuff?
It's the 80s. The communist mutants from outer space.
Yeah.
It's like combat.
Okay.
It's literally just like
So if I do reset,
like
and I could just it's breakout plus
combat.
asteroids.
Yeah, it is like asteroid.
Because you bounce off the walls.
I mean, it's not bad. If you had like a second player, it'd probably be fun. But
I can't. I lost. I don't have no more balls.
you're out of ammo. Okay, game over.
Okay, that one's.
That's why I told you to save Taz for last.
Okay,
I
so
would have
this is the 2-player that. Okay,
Yeah.
but you can fly around.
Space. The name's cool.
Yeah,
Ooh.
mechanics are kind of neat.
Oh, did you see him come over on the other end when you hit the wall? On the
Yeah.
one side?
And there's no collision. And Kitty seems like.
Ooh,
Yeah.
like a window screen.
Yeah.
The little ball bouncing.
Right. Game over. And the last one, which should be the best one. Taz. Oh my goodness. That's actually pretty good artwork for 1983. Is this like fast food?
Kinda, yeah. You have to dodge. You eat those and you avoid bombs.
Oh, okay. And they turn into bombs?
Are you playing?
Yeah.
Yeah. It gets like harder and harder, and like more and more bombs appear unless food does. It's not bad.
No, it's like
I think
fast
it's
food.
pretty tricky because sometimes it's hard to, because all the lines are purple. It's sometimes hard to judge where you are compared to the that. You do stuff
okay.
like that.
So it's not really Taz. It's just supposed to. It's just like a squiggly line.
You're him spinning around.
Yeah, I know.
They probably convert animals.
Yeah. Oh,
And not getting blown up.
you want to try, mommy? I get a game over. You can try. One actually went.
Kind of like Frogger in a way.
Yeah. It's like fast
But
food,
it's
but
fast.
linear.
Yeah, fast food, but like yeah.
Brrrr.
Eat hamburgers.
You notice the pitfall? Oh, that's it. Okay. Got to beat 1700.
Get a restart.
I think it should start.
1983.
1983.
You were 9.
Yeah, it was. I was a 9-year-old boy.
So old you are that even like Atari games you were like already almost done with elementary school.
Gee, thanks. You're not ancient. You're just old. Even when these were new, you were old. No, that means they were made for me, my generation.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, man, by the time the Super Nintendo came out, you were like almost done with high school already.
I was already done with high school.
Man.
I was a senior when
You're
the Super
freaking
Nintendo
old.
came out. Same with Sega. Sega.
That just came out before the Super Nintendo.
I know. I was like a senior in high school. 91, I think it came out.
Yeah, so you were a junior.
December 91, I was a senior. Class of 92. Never understood why the school year ended in the summer. I mean, I know now, but when I was a kid, I never understood it. It's because of farmers. The people needed to have their kids out of school in order to do farm work.
But also, it kind of sucked to like, okay, no school, and then it's like in the middle of winter and you can't do anything.
Well, that's when the farmers need to send their kids to school. And then once weather breaks.
Well, that's what I mean. Is
Yeah.
like it'd be stupid to get out during school. No one would be able to do anything.
Yeah.
Schools inside have it during the months where you can't go outside.
And you used to have to pay for school.
Well, you still do. It's with your taxes.
Yeah.
Root beers?
You're
Yeah.
doing way better than I
She's
did.
doing root beer. What mode is this? Is it a different mode?
She just got into the 5th board.
Oh, he did way better than you. She got.
Yeah, I only got 1,700.
Yeah,
She's kicking my
30.
ass. 3,100. Lauren, you got to beat 3,100.
Okay.
Come on, you could do it.
Reset.
Reset.
Root beers.
I like the Taz symbol. That's the only thing Taz on this is the opening screen.
Oh, you can move to the side. I didn't
Yeah,
know you could
yeah.
do that.
For sure.
So close.
Oh, yeah, she's been.
What score did Mom get?
31.
Oh, he's beat.
She's still got 2 lives left.
Yeah, I haven't died yet.
Yeah, I'm doing great.
Yeah.
I wonder if there's another thing after root beer.
I'm sure.
I think it is like fast food. They keep changing the food around.
Yeah.
It's just a more rudimentary. I wonder what the Sprite was really supposed to be instead of the bomb.
The root beer is really hard to tell the difference between the bomb when they go fast. They look similar. It's because it's darker. It blends in more.
Yeah. And the white top.
I didn't mean to do that.
Oh yeah, I figured you did mean to do it.
The controllers though.
What's
I
gonna be
know.
next? Pizza?
It should be, or Doritos. Did we ever figure out whether that was pizza or Doritos?
I think it looked like it was Doritos because it was
It's
like
too
it,
perfect.
it didn't
It
have
was-
like pepperoni or anything. It was just
Yeah,
like one color.
and it was perfect triangle. It wasn't like a like an isosceles. You know what I mean? It was what's the one where all the sides are the same? Is it isosceles or I'm losing my mind? Getting old.
Ice
Ice cream
cream.
cones. That's fast food too.
Ah,
I'm telling you, this is like fast food.
7,900. That's
All right, that's pretty good. That's the one to beat.
okay.
All right, well, that's a quick 14-minute Atari from the first flea market of the year. Let's see if they show anything on it.
You think Atari can remember that too?